everyone, my name is Khang. I'm 9 years old. I'm in Raymond in primary school. I live in Ho Chi Minh City. Today, I'm very happy to talk about this is a bird. This is a bird. All birds have feathers and all birds have beaks, but all birds are different too. This is a bird. Its beak is long and sharp, and its feathers are black and white. It is an emerald penguin. This is a bird. Its beak is long and hooked, and its feathers are white. It is a pelican. This is a bird. Its beak is sharp and hooked, and its feathers are black. This is a turkey vulture. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp. It is a feathers are white. It is a chicken. This is a bird. Its beak is long and flat, and its feathers are brown. It is a mallard duck. This is a bird. Its beak is long and curved, and its feathers are brown. It is a thruster. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are red. This is a cardinal. This is a bird. Its beak is long and thin, and its feathers are purple, green, and red. It is a costa hummingbird. In some ways, all birds are the same. All birds have beaks, and all birds have feathers, but all birds are different too. Next are the weeds. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.